I leave for a month-long trip tomorrow and I have not prepped or packed. So today, come along with me as I prepare for my trip. I'm going to Korea, and then I'm going to Japan, and then I'm going to Australia for work. I have a couple errands to run. I'm gonna go see some coworkers, and then I need to pack because I haven't packed a single thing. I know I'm crazy, but let's start the vlogs. This is just gonna be day in my life. Let's prep for being away from home for a month. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. First thing I need to do is I have to stop in Sephora for some content stuff that I have to do. So we're at 14th Street in Union Square. I actually just need like a Sephora bag so we can just get something super small. What should I get? I love this concealer. I'm actually trying not to buy too much makeup before my trip because I'm going to Seoul where they'll have amazing skincare and makeup. Welcome to the West Village. I forgot to mention that Ashley is here visiting because we have a photo shoot on I think Monday or Tuesday, and she was supposed to be going to Iceland, but the storm stopped her from going. So she's here and she's gonna be working with us today, and I'm so excited to see her. But we're going to do Partners Coffee in West Village, and then maybe we'll get like a little food or something. Someone just complimented my bag and said it's the most beautiful bag they've ever seen. Would you agree? Oh, nice! Oh my gosh! I got a raisin al chocolate, no, croissant al raisin. And then I got a vanilla oat milk latte, which Ashley and Taylor were saying is the best coffee that they've ever had in New York. We just finished and Ashley's here. They're gonna go to their separate ways and I'm gonna go home and start packing, I guess.
I cannot believe that you leave tomorrow for a month and you haven't packed.
I have ideas in my head. So here's the issue is that I need to bring like some clothes that I can mix and match, but my goal is to also buy a lot of like capsule wardrobe things.
Like, are you
and then I have
carry on and a checked or just
yeah, I'm taking like an international size checked and a carry-on. International size, not just big size.
Not domestic.
But I think my international size is your guys' like normal size, maybe.
Is there actually a like subcategory for international check bag?
Maybe. I mean that's I've always called it international size because like there's like normal checked bag and then you get a bigger size for international. We are finally back home. I'm going to actually pack right now. Maybe I'll make some lunch in the pack, but no, I should actually pack first. Again, guys, my issue is that I have to pack for like 2 different things, and I'm definitely going to be buying stuff while I'm there, and I'm going to try to hold myself accountable and not actually buy a lot, but I'm a very self-aware person, guys. I'm very self-aware, and I know that my restraint is very low. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm thinking like 6 bottoms so I can like match them. Like my idea is to dress a little bit more like street chic in Korea, and then in Japan I'm going like street baddie, like oh my god, did she just come from a dance class type vibe. Send help. Send help. Okay guys, we have finally packed. This is like the international size. I call this international size because it's actually humongous. But I didn't pack them to the brim. This one's pretty heavy, but I left some space for stuff I want to buy. I definitely have room for like, I'm thinking a bag, a cool jacket, a couple pairs of pants, and some jewelry, and then another pair of shoes. But I'm not trying to go too crazy. And then I'll pack my little backpack for my little fun bag. I am now going to clean my room because it is an actual disaster. Oh my god, I left out a pair of shoes I was supposed to bring. Don't worry, I'll put that in my little carry-on. But I need to clean up. My friend is coming over because I want to see her before I go. And then I also need to take off my nails. My nails are, they need to come off tonight. Like that'll probably be my late night activity that I'll have to complete. Hi, Jess came. Jess came to eat while I pack and do stuff, but she got snubujige from BCD probably, right?
No, I got nuanju.
Oh. And I'm gonna make some food because all of my food's gonna go bad if I don't. So. Chicken sausage ravioli. Make Jess try my favorite chili garlic.
You have a feather on your butt.
2 eggs.
Oh, they're here. Make a wish.
Oh my god, feather. This is delicious. I'm trying to get. Okay, no, we'll just go here. Stuff ever. I've shown this to the vlog multiple times, I think.
She sent me like 3 photos of that.
Literally the best crab ever. Someone replied to my story, was like, it's so good. I was like, I know.
Well, they know. They know. Oh, wait, this smells like, you know, like the Jin Tai Fung, like cucumber salad. So I get a teeny bit. Jigger. Okay. No, got it. Mmm.
Yeah.
Wait, whoa.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, that's really good.
Mm-hmm. Wait, so we're at, what is it, Pyeongjam?
Pyeongjam.
No, whatever that's called in English. We have, we're at the convenience store, and I got my 0 sugar root beer, which is why we came here, but look at what we found. What is it?
Wait, show them it's a
Crispy
crispy
chicken
chicken
burger.
burger shaped frozen dessert.
Wait, can you please get that?
Wait, ew, no. Wait,
You have to get it, I
need to
think,
look at
though.
what is in it.
Fried cluckin' ice cream? That's crazy.
Wait, why do you have to microwave ice cream for 48 seconds? That makes no sense.
Why do you have to be so strong-minded? Just like your mother did that.
He's all about these oceans. Okay, we officially made it to JFK. That was like actually the worst experience ever. I should have weighed my bag, but my bag was like, it was supposed to be 22 kilos and it was 29 kilos. And you get 2 checked bags, but she was like, no, you like have to either split it into 2 bags or like pay $100. I was like, well, I'm not lugging around like an extra bag, so I guess I'll pay the money. I'm so stupid. I should have taken out my leather jacket. This is actually where I left the last time I was going to Seoul, and it's literally only like 9:50 a.m. but I'm going to start off the trip with ramen for breakfast. Are you guys like an aisle or a window person? I'm a window person because I like to sleep on planes, but the biggest issue is I feel like I low-key need to not drink water so I don't have to get up and go to the bathroom the whole time. That hits.
그리고 라이터 전자담배 보입니다. 또한 전자담배와
Since we have 2 hours and 30 minutes before we land. The second meal is rice and beef.